Alright guys, I just did something that I have never done in my 22 years of trading. Alright, take a look at my live results from right now. You can see I just bagged around $4,200 live trading the NASDAQ, okay, symbol NQ. And take a look at the current time. Alright, it is a little after 1 a.m. in the morning on Tuesday, February 4th as of right now. Okay, and let me go ahead and fit this to scale here. Take a look at the bottom left here. Can you see this, man? Only 4 trades, okay? Just a lousy 4 trades, yet I was able to bag over 800 ticks in profit trading at night. All right, isn't this unbelievable, man? Didn't I warn you in my most recent video that the volatility was going to explode and this was going to be a day trader's dream? All right, day and night, it doesn't matter. Morning session, afternoon session, and even the overnight session that I'm trading right now, okay, at 1 a.m. in the morning can pay us a lot of money. All right, and that's simply because, guys and gals, the volatility is finally in our favor as active professional day traders. And the beauty about all these trades here, and there's only 4 of them, okay? Shouldn't say all these, just these 4 trades, it was all done fully automated. All right, matter of fact, let me walk you through. All right, let me show you trade number 1 here. This was a profit target, but I think this was trade number 3. 1 second, just indulge me here, man. There were some really incredible opportunities. My God, look at this beautiful. Yeah. So this was trade number 1 here. Okay. So this trade was done by the bot. All right. This was a trade fully executed by the automated trading robot. And if I squish this in a little bit, right? I mean, I hope you guys remember what I illustrated for you. Okay. With respect to these 4 lines. Okay, these are drawing objects that the auto trader draws for you on your chart that represents statistically significant areas in the chart. The blue line is always going to be your entry, right? The pink line is always going to be, yep, you guessed it, your stop loss. And the green line down here is always going to be your profit target. And all of this stuff can be completely customizable. All right, I've just figured out, along with my customers and clients who are actively using this particular bot, I've just figured out the settings that work for us. You know, they're pretty effective settings. And as you can see by the results here, they work and they're profitable. All right, so what happened here, okay, and this came around 6:30 p.m. in the overnight session. This is typically around when the Asian session starts, all right, that's the first session, and then it transitions into the London session, followed by the New York session. So you can see right here, man, the market did, in fact, retrace and tag the blue line, right? That's why you can say I went short 2 contracts on the NAS, 21,561 it looks like, right? Beautiful fill. And within just 30 minutes or so, I was in the money. I was basically at break even. And then about, it looks like 1 hour later, guys and gals, the bot closed out this trade for a beautiful 250 tick winner. I mean, Jesus Christ, right? So this was the first trade of the overnight session, all fully automated. And listen, man, like if I scroll this forward, all right, let me fit this to scale here. I mean, I left a lot of ticks on the table, bro. Like this thing plunged. Look at how the Delta Renko just stays on a sharp 45-degree angle, right? This thing just plunged, man, like 1,000 ticks. Silly old me, I only made 250. But again, coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? I've always told my people that you just got to be happy with your profit targets. And let's see what else happened with the bot. So it looks like we established a long trend right here. But unfortunately, the market didn't pull back deep enough to hit the blue line here. That's why you don't see any entries taken by the bot. But you can see here, this trade here, and look at the timestamp here, man. 11:15 p.m. at night. All right, so a little bit like around 2 hours ago. Okay, was when this trade was taken here. You can see I actually kind of lucked out here, man. Like the market ticked ever so slightly into the blue line, got me filled right here. Let me go ahead and highlight this. This was the fill right there. Looks like 311.5 on the NASDAQ, and yep, you guessed it. Beautiful profit target right there, man, for another 250, 260 ticks. I mean, this is absurd, bro. This is just absurd, right? And look, I probably should have stopped it, but me and my wife were watching a movie, you know, both of us are night owls, and I kind of missed it. Like, I literally just came back to my computer like 10 minutes ago and wanted to knock out this video for you guys. I should have shut it off here because if I keep this moving here, well, let me fit this to scale here. It took one more trade that ended up being a loser. So here was the third trade. All right, we established a downtrend here on the Delta Renko, and you can see here the market pulled back and tagged the blue line for a short right there. And I was in the money, right? Like just 10, 20 minutes later, I'm in the money, definitely by break even, right? So I should have taken some profits, but again, I like to let the bot do its thing. I've just learned that over time, I don't want to mess with the bot, all right? I'm just going to let the bot do whatever it's supposed to do. And even though I was in the money on this trade here, you can see here that we went short at 369, and we covered this trade at 379. So we only lost about 40 ticks, all right? And I'll take that all day long, you know what I'm saying? I'll take that mathematical ratio all day long, aka when we lose small, like 30, 40 ticks. And when we win huge, like 250 ticks, 300 ticks, 500 ticks. I mean, look, guys, it's in the numbers, right? Like it's right there in the numbers. Like this is a tick counter that I programmed for myself on my own version just because I wanted to track my daily ticks, right? Winning or losing, I just wanted to keep track of all my ticks. And you can imagine the smile on my face when I came back to my PC, all right, at the current time right now, which is 1:23 a.m., and I saw 853 beautiful, lovely, sexy ticks that this auto trader bagged for me on our incredible Delta Renko charts. There's not a single person on the planet that's ever going to convince me that these beautiful 45-degree angles don't work. This is the best chart display you're ever going to see in your life, all right? And you can take that to the bank. That'll do it for this video, guys. I gotta hit the bed now. It's like closing in on 1:30 a.m. I typically am up pretty early, around 6:30 or 7. So I'm going to be back at it bright and early on Tuesday. And I cannot wait to show you more live trades from the morning session. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.